Hi everyone, I have another crepe recipe to share with you, and to that we're going to need eggs, sugar, milk, water, oil, vanilla, salt, and flour. So I'm going to need some help from a standing mixer, so I put in the eggs and I got the mixer going over medium-low speed just to get those eggs mixed. And we're going to continue with our next ingredients, what we're going to put in here. With our mixer on low, we're going to pour in half of the warm milk, leaving the other milk for later. And as that's going, we're going to put in, so leave the rest of the milk for later. We're going to put in the oil, the water, vanilla, sugar, and some salt. So just put all that in, just besides the flour and the rest of the milk. Give it a good stir. Work with 1 cup at a time for flour, or you can do like 2 cups, and put it up to mix. Once that starts to mix, kind of blend in. Work out with 1 cup at a time of flour. So as that's blended, add in the next, and after all the flour is in, pour in the rest of the milk and just let it mix. So there's still going to be little clumps left because this is not the perfect way of mixing, but that's when I get my handy dandy blender. You see all those like little bubbles of flour still there? So the mixture is good, everything is good, but I just don't like the bubbles. So if that bothers you, or if you end up with that, put the mixture into a blender and blend it for about 30 seconds, and you're gonna have a perfect smooth crepe batter. So on a non-stick pan, we're just gonna go ahead and pour this over medium heat, and just go around and get all the edges. Of course, the first few are not the perfect ones, and yeah, so then you just want to flip. Once it's done, you can take a little sneak peek on the bottom and just flip that. And how you want to stack your crepes, I say the best way is to put it on a bigger plate and cover it with, right here's my second crepe that I placed over. So put it like that, and then stack them on top of each other as they come out, and put foil on top to keep it warm. It'll also keep it moist, and yeah, so it doesn't crisp the edges and stuff. That's the way I like it. So there you have it. Look at the perfect crepes. Use it and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subscribe, like, share, and till next time.